Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing guys how you can record the viral monkey in bikini dance in Sodah. So go to Sodah on Roblox. And to dress up as the monkey, let me just wait for this to load. Oh my god, I'm sorry. My remote just fell. So here I'm just going to search for baby monkey. Oh my gosh, it's still loading avatar and items. It's this one, and you're just going to select try on here. Okay, it's still loading avatar, so I'm sorry. And then you're just going to find, I don't know, bikini. And you're going to just search for, you're going to select whichever one you want. I'm just going to select this one. And then I'll type in sunglasses. I don't know the exact one. I'm just going to select this one though. I think it looks pretty similar if you ask me. Wait, why can I not see the glasses? You know what? I might just do this. Whoa, why am I walking very quickly here? And then you're just going to find the spot to record. I'll just, I don't know, here, so it's not that dark. And I'll actually, hold on, do daytime maybe. And then just go to emotes. I'm just going to turn off everything to hide name tags. Wait, why can I not hide my name tag? There we go. Go to emotes and just select the one that you want. I'll just do pop music. I really like the song. And that is it for this video. Just turn off the UI so you can record. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!